We're gonna go see Emmy because she's asleep. Okay, here. Okay, we know she snores. Bye. Say bye to the camera.